Oh, they got a kid. I gotta be... Sorry, gotta be civilized. My fault. I know the roads are cold as frick right now, and I gotta be careful because I don't want a repeat of that one time. Yo, this road looks freaking crazy. What the frick? Yo, look at this. Yo, that hummingbird almost got packed up. What the frick is burning? I hope it's nothing in my car. Whoa! That whole straight, I had no traction. Oh, nah, that's crazy. I can't lie. It's fun. It's gonna. Yo. I'm bugging the frick out. Yo, traction literally is non-existent today. And I love it. Oh, is that ice? Oh gosh, okay. Woo! There's no way cops are out right now looking for dudes like me. Right? Right? Need some caffeine, let's keep this party going. Art show. What? Bro, it is 10 degrees. Better be one of those speed limit doohickeys. It is a legit cop. It is a legit cop. There's no way. Yeah, nah, I'm bugging out. Whoa. Whoa. No traction at all. Golly. It's crazy how a patch of slush can be the difference between having my car in one piece or 12. Still had to do it. Yo, it is cold as frick. You know, I want to hear the car, but you know, also I kind of like my fingers too. Feel the car wants to slip. a part of me just doesn't want to bang gears for real. Cause I don't want to spin too much. Like I just got a new set of tires. You know what I mean? I'm spinning, but I don't want to ruin the tires now.
Are you sure about that?
I literally got like 10,000 miles out of my last set. In Honda miles, that's like 0 miles. I wonder what would happen if I were to... Yep, nope. I can't lie, they're moving this little Jetta though. For the conditions we're in, and I got this Subaru behind me, bro. Respectfully, you don't want the sauce, bruh. You don't. I don't care what you're in. You could be in a Forester, a Jetta, a tricycle. Bro, it doesn't matter. Why the frick is everybody going the same way? Don't make me add a second dent to that trunk lid. Piss me off, bro. Piss me off, bruh. Piss me off. Everybody wants to go the same way suddenly. See why we can't have nice things?